Sai, you're there?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Sai, sorry, we had a little technical issue starting off. How many are there? I'm not able to see. Okay, I think everyone is in. Please start off, Sai, please. I'll not waste time over.
My screen is visible.
Yes, Sai, it is.
So before going to this, I will tell you how to get the screen. So, so first of all, go to the product deck. Then go to insurance. In insurance, retirement plans and HDFC Sanchay Plus. So what is this HDFC Sanchay Plus? Before going to that, what is insurance? I think everyone know about insurance. It is just to mitigate the life. So mitigate the risk of the life. So here, if I am not there, who will take care about my family? That is what the reason for the life insurance. So nobody can replace you. So here what happens is only money can replace you. That's the reason money will be there. If I'm not there, money will be paid to my uh, nominee or my dependents. That is the reason for life insurance. So what happens is in India, every life insurance needs to be some payouts are required. So what happens is this should happen with investments. So here, this is how the Sanchay Plus product is designed. So Sanchay Plus is first thing is the guaranteed tax-free income product. And second thing, there is no guaranteed word used in anywhere. Suppose if you see fixed deposit bonds or anything, there is no word mentioned as guaranteed. So why there is no word guaranteed is these are assured, not guaranteed. What's the difference between an assured and guaranteed is assured is nothing but they can pay this much of amount, but guaranteed is the word. It means they have to pay. They can pay and they have to pay. There is lot of difference. That's the reason assure and guarantee is totally different. So if any of your client says fixed deposit is guaranteed, that means it is not true. It is just assured. So HDFC Sanchay is guaranteed. You can debate on that. Why? Because there is no guaranteed income product in the market except Sanchay and some other plans are there which are having guaranteed payouts. So here how the thing works is just click on information. So if you click on information, you will get this sheet. So this is the brochure. This is the brochure. So here reading this 16-page brochure is not required. So I will cut down how it works. I hope everyone is able to hear me.
Sai, excuse me.
Hmm.
Can you please admit people in?
Yeah, I am almost admitted everyone.
Okay, all right. Thank you. You can continue.
Here what happens is this is a 16-page brochure which you need not read everything. So I will explain each and every variant. There are 4 variants in this Sanchay. First of all, what is Sanchay? Sanchay is a traditional or an endowment plan. What's a traditional or endowment plan is here you need not work on this. Fund manager has the right and he will manage the wherever the investments are. So here it's not like an ULIP or anything. Here fund manager has total right how to manage and everything. So that is clear, I hope. So then what happens is, as I said, there are 4 variants in it. First of all, let's discuss the variants. Then you will understand why I told you this. So first variant is guaranteed income. So let's take here the payment term of 12 years with a premium of a lakh of rupees. So here I am paying for 12 years. Then I am getting next 12 years the regular payouts. So let's say I am paying 1 lakh for 12 years. And then, so from 2020 I started. So I will pay till 2031. So 2032 I don't get anything. Then from 13th year you won't get anything. 13th year is the cooling period. So from 14th year till next 12 years, you are going to get a guaranteed payout of 2,09,000. That means if I pay X, I'm going to get 2.09. That is 209% of the premium. So here, this 209% of premium is guaranteed. It is not like if a bank bankrupts or anything happens, you will not get anything. Here it is guaranteed. Guaranteed in the nature, in the sense, if something happens also, they will get. And here, for everything, there is 10 times of death benefit. Suppose for 1 lakh payment, they will get an insurance of 10 lakhs. It makes tax-free returns. So here, whatever they are getting, this 2,09,000 is tax-free. So he is getting around 5.8% IRR. It is guaranteed. So you can tell them, keep this bond in your locker. It is guaranteed. I hope everyone understood the product of guaranteed income.
Just one question I had.
Yeah.
The customer would pay a premium every year. That's 1 lakh. That
Yes.
includes GST and everything, right?
No, 1 lakh plus GST. So here GST is 4.5%, not 18%.
Okay. So he's basically paying somewhere around 1,04,500.
500 rupees. Correct. And second year, he will be paying 2.25% GST. That means first year is 4.5%, rest is 2.25%. So next year, he will pay 2,250.
For all the years.
All the years till 12 years.
Got it.
And any doubts in guaranteed income?
Yeah, including GST, what would be the IRR?
Including GST, it will be 5.78%. Remove just 0.3% or 0.4%. Why? Because GST will not give that much of difference.
Can you calculate right now and show us, if possible?
Yeah, just one.
Yeah.
Five 5.63%. So 5.6% is guaranteed. Here it is guaranteed. There is no GST or taxation. Okay.
Yeah, normally the customer would also calculate that as a cost. No? So
what happens is if he takes on a company name, then this GST will be reimbursed, right? It can be taken on individual name, company name, partnership name, and everything.
Okay.
So that anything else on this product? Only guaranteed income. So here there are two variants in it. One is 10 years, one is 12 years. First is 10 years. If I pay for 10 years, 11th year will be cooling, and 12th year say 21st year I will get 188. They say I pay 1 lakh, I will get 1,88,000 for next 10 years. That's it. If I pay for 12 years, 1 lakh, then 11th year, 13th year will be cooling period. 13th year said next 25 years, till 25 years, he will get 2,09,000. This is the simple pitch. So here pitching will be little bit difficult in this product. Why? Because seeing 5.6% IRR, nobody will get convinced. It is for the person who needs a regular income. Let's say a person who has higher income slab. Let's say who is in more than 30% and earning around 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs kind of income. If he thinks I pay 10 lakhs, then what happens is he will get 20 lakhs 9,000 and tax free. That 20 lakhs 9,000 is tax free. So for him, 5.36% is also a good thing. Why? Because current FD rate is around 5.5% for 80 months. If it comes to 12 months, it is 5.3%. So here in FD, there is a taxation as per tax slab. Suppose he is 30% tax slab. So 5.3% into 0.7 will be 3.71%. So when you compare 5.63 with 3.71, which make good sense, 5.63. If I include taxation, everything, FD will give you 3.71, whereas this product is giving 5.63. I think, is it good or any other doubts?
Yeah, just one thing, just a generic
Excuse me.
doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to know if the customer compares it to PPF. So what points can we differentiate with regard to PPF other than the 15-year lock-in? Because PPF will give much superior returns, right? Tax-free.
So PPF also, I will tell you, current PPF rate is around 6.3%. I think if you know it. And PPF rates, if you see 2018 May, it is around 7.75%. 2019, it was 7.25, 7%. Now in 2020, it is 6.3%. So PPF is also invested in FDs, bonds. That's the reason, as FDs are reducing the rate. So in 2018, FD rate is around 7.5%, 7.75%. In 2016, it came between 7% to 7.25%. So in March, there is a rate cut, huge rate cut of 1.5%. That's the reason current FD rate is around 5.3% to 5.5%. So PPF also
Just
invests
to
in
correct,
government
I
of India
think
bonds.
PPF is as of now 7.1 till October, November, December. It will be
October,
revised in
November.
January.
You have to calculate till the end of March, right? Because they will be paying 2 times.
Right.
That's
But
the
then
reason.
it will be 6.3 for this year only. Rest 14
Yeah.
it will stay for 7.1, right?
Yeah. People who invests now will get 6.3, right?
Okay, yeah, right.
I'm thinking about investment today, not about
Right,
past.
right. Okay.
Correct. If I invest today, I will get 6.3% only. If I invest in FD, you have to take present cost, not about the past cost, right? Suppose if you tell customer in 2012, the FD rate is around 12%. Now also, if you ask 2020, around 12%, we cannot give, right? FD. I think this will solve the question of yours.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine, please.
Yes, sir. I want to know how you calculated FD rate 3.71%. Just repeat. Can you repeat?
Okay.
Please?
So I will tell about the taxation. So
Yeah.
debt taxation, it is very important little bit. So if that it is for first 3 years, it is as per tax slab. So if you are in tax slab of 30%, so you have to remove 30%. Suppose I am getting 100 rupees, you have to reduce 30% from that. 30 rupees you have to reduce. So after 3 years, it is 20% minus indexation. So it will come around 15%. 8% around. So if I do after this, I will get this. So here at any point of time, if he invest for 3 years also, he's getting 3.71%. If he's investing more than that, let's say 5.3%, 5.5% into 8.5%. I mean 8.5%, how I got is, sorry, 0.85 it is. So 0.85 in the sense 100 minus 15, that is 85. Direct I calculated with the formula. I think everyone got the detailed view about debt taxation.
Okay. Yeah.
So you got the debt taxation, right?
Right. Thank you, sir.
So any other doubts?
No, no. Any other feature in the Sanchay plan?
I will explain. These
Yes.
two variants are very good, long term and lifelong. That I will explain. So you will get to a total overview about that. Okay.
In HDFC Sanchay, is there any plan? I think I'd seen something wherein you pay, like for example, you pay 1 lakh every year for next 10 years.
That is the
1
long
year
term.
schooling period, and then the income is for next 25 years.
That is next one, long term. I will explain now.
Okay.
I think the guaranteed income is okay. So I'm going for next product, which is long term income. So here the plan is very good. Why? Because here it is a plan for 35 years. So 35 years, you are getting the pay in and payout. So here the same thing appears. So here I have the paying option of 10 years. So I'm paying for 10 years, about 1 lakh of rupees. Then 11th year will be cooling period. So 12th year, say next 25 years, that is 37 years, I'm going to get the payout of 93,500 plus whatever I paid. Just say I paid 10 lakhs, right? I'm going to get return of premium. Whatever 10 lakhs I paid, I'm going to get return of premium of that. So this will fetch you around 6.1% return. So here the pitch is how to pitch a client. So if a client is thinking about having a guaranteed returns with tax free, as I said, if it comes to taxation of debt, he's getting somewhere around 4% or 3.71%. But here he's getting around 6.1% with whatever he is paying return of premium. The pitch is pay 1 lakh for 10 years. Then 11th year will be cooling. You won't get anything or you need not pay anything. From 12th year till 37th year, he is going to get 93,500 plus whatever he has paid, 10 lakhs as return of income. I mean, whatever return of premium we used to call. I think, is it clear or shall I explain again?
This is for 25 years, right? What about 30 years?
It is not about, it's 30 years is like, I will pay for 5 years. I will pay for 5 years. Then 6th year will be cooling period. 7th year, say I will get 32,500. For next 30 years with return of premium. I think you people got this also. The payment term is 5 years and 10 years. Invest either for 5 years or 10 years.
Sorry, another question I have. Same way as we calculated for 10 years, the customer still pays for 10 years, but the guaranteed income comes for 30 instead of 25 years. It's 30 years.
Correct.
How much is the difference? Is there any difference in regards
IRR?
to IRR? Yeah.
Yes, it will be little bit. Why? Because his payment term is very less, right? So it will be 5.34.
No, this is what he's paid for 5 years, right? But he continues to pay for 10 years.
Yeah,
But
if
the
you
income
continue,
instead of 25 years is 30 years.
no, that product is not there.
Oh.
Only 25 years.
Got that.
Okay. Here two products are there. One is 5 years, one is 10 years. So we usually recommend 10 years. Why? Because IRR is good and taxation wise also it is very good. The pitch is very simple. There is no guaranteed income in the country apart from Panchay tax free. Pension is taxable. If anyone asks, I will invest in a pension plan, that is taxable as per tax lab again.
Yeah, this follows under triple E, right?
Yeah. Which one?
This follows under triple E, right? Exempt.
No. It falls under 1010D.
Okay.
1010D. So returns are tax free. Why? Because as my life insurance is 10 times of my premium paid. That's the reason it falls under 1010D, and whatever income comes under this are tax free. Guaranteed tax free, I can say it is guaranteed tax free returns.
So what happens if the person who is paying for this something happens to him in between? What is the amount that you get back?
Yes, let's take example. The client had passed away at 6th year. So how much premium he's paying? 1 lakh. So death benefit is 10 times. That is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs he will get. Suppose, let's say he passes away in 11th year. Then he will get around 14 lakhs. But once he passes away after 11th year, that is 12th away, he passes away. Then what happens is there is no death benefit. The nominee will start getting 93,500. That is first nominee. If first nominee also passes away, then the second nominee will get the payout, total death benefit, whatever the policy amount is there. So they will discount with the Government of India Securities and they will pay. It's a little bit complicated calculation. I'm not going, I mean, there is no such scenario happened till now. So let's take an example. If it happens at this point of time on 2034, he will get around 14 lakhs, 50 lakhs, sorry. I hope your answer is, your question is resolved.
And the premiums paid will not be refunded?
Premium paid is not refunded because here, this premium here paid is for 10 years only. 11th year, there is no payout. It is the alternative to the income source. As everyone is working for private limited company, it is not a government job. They don't have any pension plans. So alternate income has to be generated. This is the alternate income product, which is giving guarantee. Just say after 10 years, when he is about to retire, he got, I mean, the COVID situation happened at the same time. Their market crashed around 50-60% again. So he has invested 1 crore of rupees. Now he is incoming. I mean, now if he wants to go for retirement, it is 50 lakhs. But here it is not like that. Whatever he has invested is guaranteed. So if COVID comes in the month in 12th year also, he's going to get the same money, 93,500. If COVID comes in 14th year also, he's going to get the same money. There is no difference. I hope your question is resolved. It is alternate income, alternate fixed income, I can say, with tax free. Returns are tax free and guaranteed. Any other questions? Shall I go for other products?
Sorry,
Yeah.
same question which I asked last time.
Hmm.
Here also GST will be 4.5%
Yeah,
first
every
year and
product.
2.5. Okay.
2.25. It's not 2.5,
2.25 every
2.25
year.
every year.
Okay.
So in endowment plans, it's simple formula. All endowment plans in the India are taxed at 4.5% for first year. And after first year, how many years they are paying? It is 2.25%.
Thank you.
All endowment plans. So shall I go with last variant, which is lifelong income? So here, there is no previously in guaranteed income and in long-term income, there is no minimum age criteria. After 1 year, I mean, there is 6 months. The baby, if it is baby, it should be 6 months. I mean, 180 days. After 180 days, the person can take the life insurance. I mean, this plan on kid's name also that is there. So you can use it for education. You can use it for alternate income. Let's say if there is a baby girl and they are thinking of investing in Sukanya Samruddhi, they can invest in this product instead. Why? Because Sukanya Samruddhi also is not guaranteed. And if you see in 2017, it has given 9%. Now it is giving around 7.1% or something. And I think you people know about Sukanya Samruddhi. How shall I explain? So
Yeah, can you please explain? I'm not
Yeah,
aware of
explain.
that product.
So Sukanya Samruddhi is for a baby girl. First clause, she should be born in India. The first clause is. If she is born outside India, it is not applicable. Second thing, the age, I mean, lock-in is still 18 years of her age, and they can redeem after 20 years of her age. That means the age criteria is 20 years. How many? Whenever you start paying, you can pay till 16 years of the baby girl. After that, it will be locked till 20 years. After 20 years only, they can redeem the fund. So let's take they cannot use it as a what can I say? They can not use it as a graduation plan. Why? Because everyone goes for graduation at the age of 18. But here, Sukanya Samruddhi is giving the payout at the age of 20. So it is not solving the education plan. Let's take the second plan. If they have any maturity function or something, they want to get income. So, so they have taken when the baby is around 180 days. 181 days. So normally, if you take the tendency, it will be around 12 years or 13 years. So they will have regular payouts. They say something is guaranteed payout for the baby girl. So it's an investment product for the baby girl. That is how Sukanya Samruddhi is also used. But Sukanya Samruddhi, the returns are not guaranteed. It is also like PPF. Every year it is decreasing. And next few years, whenever India is developing, I think you know about Fed rate currently is around 0.25. That means Fed interest rate is around 0.25, which is US FD rate. Currently, if you see our Indian FD rate is around 5.5%, and it will decrease further. I hope you people got solutions for Sukanya Samruddhi and this plan. What is the difference between Sukanya Samruddhi and Sanchay? For an education plan and alternative to any baby girl gifting plan. Any other queries?
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I heard this one. You were saying US FD rates is like 0.25% you told, but somebody I heard saying it's they have declared 0% only
I mean,
this
what
year.
happens is Fed rate is Fed bond rate. So FD rate is different, bond rate is different. For our
Okay.
understanding, I told 0.25%. So if you keep FD in US bank, you have to pay interest instead of they paying it. That means
Okay.
charges. So almost nearing zero. It is around 0.21% FD rate. So I told 0.25.
Okay.
Yeah. And these plans you can give any NRIs also. NRIs can take this. Resident Indian can take this. The minimum age criteria is 180 days. And a grandfather also can invest. If the grandfather age is more than 65 also, they can invest on this plan. Any other questions?
Hello,
Yes.
please.
Your voice is crackling little.
Can you give me illustration?
Sorry?
Illustration.
Yeah, this is the illustration. In illustration, all these figures will be mentioned. So I took all the figures from illustration and pasted here. Any other questions?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Sir, you said that this product can be offered to NRIs.
Yes.
So it is irrespective of any country. Like any country we can offer,
Yes.
or there are certain
Any
restrictions?
country. There is no country restriction. Any country you can offer.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah. Bharat Bhushan.
Yeah. Just I'm asking. See, I want. Can you please compare with ICICI Prudential SIP, Assured Savings Plan? No? You must be aware about.
So I just want to tell you one more thing. It is alternate investment, alternate income plan, fixed income plan. SIP is not alternate income. I mean, it is assured. I mean, you will get lump sum payout at the end, but it is not like that.
Can you
I think
please
you
brief?
got it.
Actually, see, when it started, I was not able to connect. There are a lot of issues, and also I was outside. So I just
Okay.
connected 5 or 10 minutes back. So not
Okay.
able to know कि क्या हुआ क्या नहीं. So can you just brief, मतलब in a nutshell, what are the USPs of this product and
Just I'm repeating again. Yeah, just I'm repeating again. So what happens is this is guaranteed tax-free return plan with fixed income. I mean, it's alternative to fixed income. I mean, alternative to fixed income in the sense fixed income comes, which investment comes under fixed income is FDs, bonds, any other debentures or any other private corporate securities.
So what is the IRR?
So IRR comes under around 6.12%, whereas ASIP comes under 5.7%.
So 6.12, is it fixed or it again varies from, but depending on the proposer's
fixed.
date of birth?
It's fixed.
So currently it is 6.12 and it will remain
Yes.
till again 6.12.
Yes.
So is it mentioned in the brochure? If someone asks me or can I show him it is 6.12?
Yes. I will give you the illustration.
Yeah, obviously. Na,
whenever you want illustration, you just text this servicing manager. He will generate the quotation and he will give you, he or she.
Because the similar products. So what other products are there apart from SIP? Is there any
So
product
here
from
what?
Tata AIA or Kotak?
Yeah. Just let me complete this lifelong also.
Yeah, sure.
Then I will explain the alternate products which can be sourced instead of Sanchay. Okay. And any other questions?
And how? When it came to market, how old is the product?
The product came into the market in 2012.
2012.
Sanchay Plus came in 2012. Before that, there is a product called Sanchay.
Okay.
Then updated version is Sanchay Plus. Then the new version is Sanchay Par Advantage.
Okay.
So there are three products in Sanchay.
So it's Sanchay Plus and
Sanchay Par Advantage, which is the latest one, which came into the market 2019 November.
Okay, that I'm not aware of, but
yeah, that also we will take it up after some time.
Fine.
So just Sanchay plus this long-term income, I think everyone is okay with it. So I will continue with the third variant, lifelong income. So lifelong income, the minimum age criteria is 50 years. So here it is till 99 years of the client. So if client enters at 50, he has to pay till 60, and 61 will be cooling period, and he will get the payouts till 99 years of the age with return of premium. Say he had paid 10 lakhs, he will get 10 lakhs back again. I think it fits for the client who is above 50 and thinking about pension at the age of 60. So normally, if we see Indian retirement age is around 60, so 61 is the cooling period. From 62, he is getting till 99 if the client is alive. Otherwise, nominee will get the same payout at 89,000 till her life. If she passes in the middle, the nominee, the second nominee will get the death benefit. So here, 99th year, he is going to get the return of premium also. The IRR is around 6.12% again. And it is guaranteed product. So it is alternative to pension plan, alternative to FD, alternative to bond, and fits for the individual who is more than 50 years old. Any questions in this?
Sir, this is mentioned on agreement.
Yes.
Same IRR also and return also.
Yes. Okay. Everything is mentioned on the illustration and brochure.
Okay, sir.
So which one is the closest? I meant to say, who is the next competitor?
So I mean, if everyone is okay with this, then I will go to the competitors who are competitors in this market.
So if someone can enter this product at any age, right? It's not necessary to enter at 50 only.
No. Lifelong may client has to enter at the age of 51. After 50.
Achha, 50 is the minimum entry age.
Correct.
Yeah. And what is the maximum entry age?
60. You can enter till 65. Sorry.
But then, so if someone enters at 65 and he pays premium,
he has to pay for 5 years or 10 years.
Yeah, but that 99 will remain fixed.
Yes.
Okay, so the best time to enter is 51 only. Ideally.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain 5-year paying term also?
Yeah, I will explain. So here, this Sanchay long-term lifelong income has two variants. One is 5 years, one is 10 years. So 5 years, I will pay 1 lakh rupees again. Then 6th year will be cooling. Then 7th year, say I will get 31,000 till my 99th year. Whatever I paid, that is 5 lakhs as a return of income.
Just for clarification, Sai, this till 99 years only for customer whose age in between 50 to 60.
Yes. Yeah. Minimum entry age is 50 and maximum entry age is 65.
Okay. Otherwise, till 30 years he will get.
No, 30 years is not. I mean, what happens is if you calculate from 61, it will come the same, right?
Yes.
99.
Yes.
That's how it is.
ये lifelong में 10 time sum insured मिलेगा फिर?
Yes, 10 times.
10 times.
Yes.
That is fixed, not
yes, that is fixed.
Okay.
Yes, that is fixed.
Thank you.
So if anyone wants to get 1010D benefit, tax-free income, that means they should follow this bracket only, 1010D. And this is also tax-free guaranteed income product. So all this Sanchay Plus, if anybody uses the word Sanchay Plus, it's guaranteed tax-free returns product.
But sir, we can also ATC?
Yes, you can take ATC.
Yeah.
80C is for claiming the 80C benefit. 1010D
Yes.
is for redemptions.
Yes, sir.
This is redemptions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other queries? And it will be not added to the income slab. Not added, as it is tax free. Whereas pension, if it is pension income, suppose NPS, EPF, anyone can convert that plan into pension plan. That is added to the tax slab, added to income slab, and it is taxable. That's how it is made taxable. FD, bond, debentures. Taxable. These are the debt products in the market. Pension, annuity plans also used to call. Annuity, pension, all these words are the same. So don't get confused while client is telling annuity or pension or anything. So all these things are taxable as per tax lab. Any other questions in this product? Sante, total guaranteed income, long-term income, lifelong income.
What's the minimum amount of investment here? Is it
30,000.
30,000. Okay.
30,000. Any product. Guaranteed income, long-term, lifetime. 30,000 is the minimum.
Any other product in the market which provides this tax-free returns like this?
Yes. I mean, first I will complete this, then I will talk about the alternative products. Anybody has any other questions?
Sai, there are some questions in chat. You can able to.
Yeah, just 1 minute. You share the Excel sheet. Yeah, Excel sheet will be on your product deck. So just go to the product deck and it will be there on your product deck. And sales pitch, I have pitched it. So premium payment modes. So premium payment modes will be monthly, quarterly, half yearly, and yearly. Even payouts also is the same: monthly, quarterly, half yearly, and yearly. Here I have taken yearly plan for easy calculation purpose. I hope. Yeah,
Sir, first yearly is annually. Yeah, first yearly also start monthly, quarterly.
Monthly also we can start. So what happens is, I will tell you, if it is monthly mode, you have to collect 3 months check, quarterly check.
Okay.
And you will get the payouts whenever they pay the premium.
Okay, sir.
It's not like upfront. Suppose 1,20,000, that is 10,000 per month you have taken. That means 30,000 you have to take. And
is there any loan facilities available?
Yes, you can take the loan.
After which year?
Third year.
Third year.
Yes. Surrender benefit also applicable after 3 years. So if any after second year, if client defaults in paying the premium, automatically it goes to surrender benefit, and the money will, whatever the surrender benefit is there, it will be paid to the client. There is no lock-in of 5 years. Any other questions?
Sir, what is death benefit?
Death benefit is 10 times.
10 times of premium.
Yes.
Sir, can you repeat that one? Second year premium payment default, then what happens?
Yeah.
It goes into surrender.
So suppose if I am able, it will go to surrender. Surrender is nothing but as it is defaulted, whatever he has paid, they will make some charges, and they have 3 months of period. Within 3 months, they can revive the policy by paying the premium. That is first thing. Second thing, if you are not paying within 3 months, then what happens is it will go to the surrender, and whatever is the money after charges, they will pay to the client. The client should pay 2 premiums. After 2 premiums only, the surrender benefit will be applicable.
And loan starts after the third
3 years.
PPT is over. Third year
No,
is
no,
over.
no. Yeah, third
Then-
year is over. Correct.
Yeah.
And loan, how much amount? 80% of the premium paid.
Sir, any death criteria? Suppose first year customer
Nothing.
pay nothing.
Even suicide is also covered.
First year also start after 1 year.
After 1 year.
Okay.
Any other natural death within 1 year, it's fine. But any other, apart from natural death, suicide is also covered after 1 year.
आफ्टर हेलो सर
या
आफ्टर कूलिंग पीरियड मतलब पॉलिसी स्टार्ट ही रहता है ना, डेथ हो जाता है फिर भी?
यस, पे आउट स्टार्ट होता है।
पे आउट मतलब मान लो कस्टमर की डेथ हो गई तो उसका पे आउट उसके फैमिली मेंबर को मिलेगा ना?
करेक्ट, नॉमिनी।
ओके, लास्ट में पॉलिसी की टर्म कम होगी उसके बाद ही पैसा नॉमिनी को वापस मिलेगा। ओके,
करेक्ट,
थैंक यू।
Sir, any waiver of in case of death of premium?
In case of death, death benefit will be there, no?
Waiver of premium, no?
There is no waiver of premium. Death means death benefit. Just say the client has passed away at 8th year, they will get 10 lakhs.
Then settle close the
policy. After 11th year, he passes away, then this return of income, suppose here fixed income is there, no guaranteed payout, it will be paid to the nominee.
Okay, sir.
आफ्टर 11 years सर वो डेथ बेनिफिट 10 लाख नहीं मिलेगा क्या?
नहीं, there is no death benefit after 10 years. Till 11th year, sorry, till 11th year there is a death benefit. After 11th year there is no death benefit. Yes. Any other questions?
Sir, there are certain policies in which, like, when the first premium is paid, say accidentally, I mean, say person dies. Okay.
So
even
that
if
comes under
one
term plan.
installment is paid, so then 10 times benefit is available.
Yes. Suppose let's say first year I met with an accident and I passed away. It's a natural death. So what happens is my 10 lakhs will be given to the nominee.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
So any other questions? If it is natural death, it will be paid. If it is suicide, then after 1 year. And client can change the payment mode after 1 year. So let's say first year a client is okay to pay 1 lakh, but next year onwards you want to convert into quarterly mode, half-yearly mode, monthly mode also it's possible.
So this is, sir, automatically customer we request on with customer care also.
Yeah, anything automatically he can make. Let's say you have to tell while taking the policy that after 1 year you want to take it into monthly mode. You have to collect at the end of 1 year, let's say 12th month, you have to collect 3 months payment check. After
sir.
3rd month, 4th month, say it will be like monthly mode.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Quarterly also the same one. 1 quarter you have to collect. After that 2 quarters will be there. Half-yearly same. Only for monthly mode, 3 checks should be collected. 3 months premium. And any year in this middle, you can change the payment mode. Let's say after 5th year also I can change. After 6th year also. Once you change to monthly mode, you cannot update to half-yearly or quarterly. But if you change to half-yearly, you can change it to quarterly or monthly. 2 times it is changeable. If you go to lower variant, you cannot come to upper variant. Simple.
Okay, and it can be done through ECS too, bank ECS.
Yes. And client can, I forgot to tell, the first premium, the client can pay through credit card. The client can pay through credit card also. So suppose let's say 1 lakh credit limit is there, he can pay 1 lakh with credit card also.
Second year onward, he cannot pay by credit card.
He can pay before the premium date. Let's say premium will be, he will get the message before 1 month that premium will be debited on this day. They will be giving one link. He can click on that link and he can pay before only. So the policy will get completed. After that, he can convert into EMIs or anything. That's his call. Any other questions?
Sir, any rider inbuilt in this product?
I mean, there is no rider. He can take the rider apart from that. So he can take accidental benefit and critical illness rider.
Apart from apart from policy premium.
Yes. So, but I don't suggest. Why? Because if you mix this investment with insurance, pitching is little bit difficult.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Why? Because here we can say directly with 1 lakh you will get this much. If you combine a rider, then the premiums will change. Then client will think IRR is going down. That's the reason. Simple, it's an investment plan.
Okay,
Guaranteed investment plan, we can say. Any other questions? If there are no questions, then I will go to alternate products.
Yes, sir.
So alternate to Sanchay. So alternate to Sanchay is Tata Grip that we can do. The IRR is around 5.7%. That is one. Then it is the best product I can say, which is alternative to Sanchay. Only these two are the alternatives. Remaining are not guaranteed. Are giving less than 5.5% IRR.
So which one you said? Tata, which one?
Tata Grip. Guaranteed
Tata
return
Grip.
on insurance. Guaranteed return on insurance plan. Here, this product is little bit complicated, so we can discuss in the next master class. It is the first alternative to Sanchay. Only one product which can be given alternative to Sanchay, and this Tata Grip also we can do. And if suppose if you can see, nobody asked me this out. I want to pay for 1 year only. I have lump sum, 1 crore of rupees. I have lump sum. I don't want to pay after 1 year. So I will get the payout after 5 years. That is fine. So here what happens is, then Tata Grip has that product, single premium. Single premium, but the minimum age criteria is 45 years. So minimum age criteria is 45. Single premium is also there. So single premium, here what happens is, here single premium consists of only one product. Here both husband and joint life it is called. So what happens is joint life. So here wife and husband has taken the product. Husband passed away. Then they will give part of the death benefit. If wife also dies, then they will give total death benefit. Otherwise, the death benefit will not be applicable. Automatically given with single premium.
Okay, and what's the IRR for
5.5%. And it is still 99 years. What Sanchay doesn't have is single premium. What Tata Grip has is single premium. That's the only difference with Sanchay and Tata Grip. So any other queries? Any other queries regarding Sanchay?
So today it's only about Sanchay, na? We are not discussing about some other products of HDFC Life, right?
Yes, only Sanchay Plus and Tata Grip.
Okay, Sanchay plus Tata Grip. So
yes,
I have. What about some if some queries related to term plan of HDFC?
Next class we will discuss about only term plan and Sanchay Par Advantage.
Okay, fine.
Why? Because if I take into term plan, you will get complicated. Why? Because there are inbuilt features which I need to explain.
Yeah, definitely. Because there are so many detailing is there that need to be clarified.
Yeah. So here I am giving you detailed view about debt taxation. Second thing about the guaranteed returns and tax-free returns. So this is the only product in the market which is giving 6.1% IRR. And second product which is competitor is Tata Grip with 5.5%. No other, even LIC is not having any guaranteed product. If anyone wants
to, you are talking about Tata Grip, right?
Tata Grip.
Okay. Yeah, obviously LIC is not
LIC, ICICI, any other. ICICI has one product which is called ASIP. It is not treated as guaranteed returns. Why? Because it's single payout at the end. It's not like fixed income. So I cannot take it as a fixed income product. So this is the only fixed income product. Sanchay and Tata Grip.
Can you please repeat what you discussed about ICICI Group?
So ICICI has one product called ASIP.
Yeah, ASIP.
So ASIP, suppose I will pay for 7 years, 5 years, or 10 years. Three payment terms. So payouts will be, if it is 5 years, 10 years or 12 years will be the payout terms. 5.3% is the current IRR. I'm taking GST also in consideration. If I don't take GST in consideration, it will be 5.6%. And I will pay at the end lump sum amount. It's not like this. Like say I want 89,000 for every year. It's not like this, or I want 31,000 for every year. I will pay a lump sum amount at the end of 10th year and it is closed. So if a person wants fixed income after his retirement, this product will not solve anything. Again, he has to go to FD and he has to invest. And these rates are decreasing. ASIP rates, when this is also a latest product, ASIP.
Yes.
It was started in 2019, around August. And in August only, they have decreased the rate. Again, in February, they have decreased the rate. Again, recently, last month also, they have decreased the rate. So when they started 6.1% IRR, now it is around 5.3% IRR. So any other questions? With competitors also you can ask.
So there are 3 variants only, sir, for Sanchay Plus, right?
Yes.
And in future, if the FD rates go further down, but it won't be impacted. The rates of IRR of this product won't be impacted.
Yes. What happens is here the bond will be there that will be sent to the client, that stating that this is the guaranteed payout he is getting. Simple. Whatever happens after 1 year, I mean, whatever happens after he is taking the policy will be guaranteed. It's written on the bond itself, guaranteed payout.
So can this be one pitch? Just wanted to know from factual point of view, if the FD rates go down in the future, the IRR for this product might decrease in future. As of now, this is the IRR.
Correct.
But the IRR might decrease if you delay.
Yes, correct. In March, they have decreased the IRR. Previously, it is giving around 6.5%. Now they are decreased to 6.1%. Why? Because there is a rate cut of 1.5 paisa. I mean, 150 bits.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. You never know when the next rate cut will come. So it's better to take it as soon as possible. Right?
Yes, correct. Already, if you see the news yesterday, Bank of Baroda has decreased the home loan interest rate by 15 bits. That is, it is telling that home loan rate is decreased. So FD rate is also will get decreased. So if FD rate gets decreased, this product also will decrease. Simple.
So what is the IRR for the Sanchay Plus if I talk about 5 years back?
5 years long term?
No, I meant to say current IRR you are talking about. So if I talk, what was the IRR if I talk about around in 2000?
For 5 years? 2000? Can you tell me the year?
2015.
2015, the IRR is around 9.5%.
That means it is decreasing, no?
I mean, person who takes in 2015 will have the same IRR. The person who takes now will have different IRR.
That means in near future it will go on decreasing.
Yes. Suppose if you take today, you will get the same IRR. 6.1% is guaranteed. But if you delay, then your IRR will decrease. I hope your question is answered.
Yes, yes, got it. Thank you.
सर टाटा
Sir,
ग्रुप में कैसे है
sir,
मतलब
Yeah.
so you want to say that if somebody is taking now, then he'll
Yes.
be getting 6.1 only. Although it
Yes, correct.
reduces to say 4% IRR,
Yes.
but he will get 6.1 only, right?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
हेलो
Yes.
टाटा ग्रुप का सर चार्ट
Tata Grip.
हाँ मतलब उसमें कैसे पैसे मिलते मतलब उसका
So Tata Grip में 5.5%.
मतलब ऐसे ही इनकम आती है ईयरली बेस
Yes.
पे ओके
Same one. Return of premium is also there in that also.
ओके
And what's the difference is in Tata Grip there is a one uniqueness which is single premium. So single premium joint life. So let's take. I will explain again. If the client want to pay single year, just say 1 year I have huge money, I want to save it because wherever I pay, I have to pay. I mean, if I do 1 crore FD, I have to pay taxes. Instead of that, I will take Tata Grip. So 5 years you will not get anything. 6th year onwards, you will get 5.5% till 99 years, and whatever he has paid 1 crore at the end of 99th year. So death benefit, how it works? Say if husband and wife is taking, husband passed away at 50, they will get some part of death benefit. If wife also passes away, then they get total death benefit. That means 1 crore ka 10 crores.
Okay.
It's also 10 times. But both people has to die. That is meaning of joint life. As it is single premium, joint life is must.
टाटा ग्रुप में भी 5 ईयर वेट करना रहेगा
Yes, 5 years wait करना है.
ओके
6th year से you will get 5.5%. What is the launch date of this product is 2014. So if you have any questions, please.
And you said that this product can be bought by NRIs as well.
Yes.
No condition as such.
No condition as such.
So the payment can be done from there. Say if someone is based out of US, it can be done from
Yes.
their US account.
Not US account, NRE or NRO accounts will be there.
Achha, NRE or NRO, right.
The documentation is little bit different. You can get query. It's like 1-2 documents are extra. NRI address proof and income proof is compulsory for them.
So which is the product that you will advise out of these three? Which is the best product out of these three?
So what happens is I advise long term and lifelong. If the client is going to retire next year, that is, I mean, retiring in next 5 years or 10 years, whose age is 50, can take lifelong income, and it is easy to pitch also. Just you can say at the age of 60 or 61, who will pay you some income? Nobody pays you. So this HDFC Life will pay till lifelong. That is one. And if daughter, I mean, you can use it for child education plan and alternative gifting plan, anything. And you can sell this long term also.
Okay.
Why? Because immediate income is little bit, IRR is less until unless client want only the specific payout. Just say I pay one time, you give me 2 times. So very rare occasions. But long term and lifelong will be very good pitches.
You know, I'd seen one illustration wherein it is HDFC Sanchay plus long-term income as we are talking about. It says pay for 10 years, wait
Yes.
for 1 year,
Yeah.
get guaranteed income for 25 years plus
Yeah.
return of premium at the end.
Yeah, that is the product I have shown. Suppose you can
The
see
same
the
one,
screen.
right?
Yeah, same one.
Yeah, so it says annual premium for 1 lakh, the income is for next 25 years is 91,000 something.
Correct. Same here
Okay.
also. Cooling period I
Okay.
used to tell 7
Okay.
years.
And then there is a return of premium also by the end
Yes.
of 25
35th.
years.
35.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, 25, 35.
Yeah, 36th year, I can say.
Yeah, and the IRR for that is comes to close to 5.8 something, right?
6.12.
6.12, I'm sorry. Yeah, thanks.
So what is the upper limit for this product?
There is no upper limit. You can do 5 crores, 10 crores also.
Okay, great.
I mean, we can do 100 crores also, but client should have much of income proof. The highest is 100 crores as of the day. That to 10 years. Any other questions?
Sir, GRIP can be offered to NRIs?
Yes.
Data GRIP?
Yes. Documentation is different for NRIs. So
Yeah, you said
make sure
two
that they have
documents
NRE or
actually.
NRO bank accounts. Two
Yeah.
documents and NRE and NRO account is compulsory.
Okay.
Any other questions?
I think the last question we have from Sachin Wag. What is the launch date of this product? And tell about
2014. Sanchay Plus is 2014.
medical underwriting. Yeah, only thing. Last question we can take.
Launch date. Tell about medical underwriting. Medical underwriting. So what happens is here medical underwriting happens, and if the premium is more than 5 lakhs, if it is less than 5 lakhs, no medical underwriting I can say. Until unless client discloses some specific diseases like cancer or something. Our smoker, if he smokes more than 8 cigarettes in a week. Any other questions?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes,
please go ahead.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Something was mentioned in 99 years. What was that?
That is lifelong.
Lifelong means?
So here the minimum age criteria is 50 years.
Right.
So he will get the payouts till 99 years of the age, return of premium. How much he has paid will be paid off. Suppose he is paying 1 lakh for 10 years, that is 10 lakhs. At the end of 99th year, he will get the 10 lakhs back.
But here अभी किसी ने बात किया कि 25 years
That is long life, long term income, lifelong income.
Okay.
Long term income में there is no age criteria. 180 days is the best, and lifelong में the minimum age criteria is 50.
Okay.
And the documentation is also very easy. No, you need not worry about the documentation also. You can pay through credit card also.
Yeah. Request all of you to please provide the poll feedback. It is really good to get feedback from you guys. Any further questions we have?
Sir, Sanchay Plus is any required income proof?
If it is less than 50,000, not required.
Less than 50,000, not required.
Yeah. I mean, please tell before taking that to your service manager.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
One-liner to sell this product, alternative to fixed income products.
I think it went really longer. Any further questions?
Any further questions, or we will wind up the session?
Yeah. No problem. For any further questions you have, you can connect with us to your relationship manager. Okay. And we will come back again with the new master session next in few days again. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining. Thank you very much, Sai. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Thank you.